how to make a Tron transaction in docs. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can make a Tron transaction in the docs application. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the docs application on your device. Over here, you will see the wallet section. Then connect your wallet to the app. Make sure that your wallet has sufficient Tron available for the transaction as well as enough balance to cover the gas fees. After that, click on Start and you will be redirected to the Tron transaction page. Over here, you will see an option to send Tron. Then move the slider forward to initiate the transaction. Now, wait for a moment as the system processes your transaction. Over here, you might see a security check and some loading. Once the process is complete, you will see a Done option indicating that the transaction is successful. Finally, go back to the Docs application to confirm the transaction details. So that's how you can make a Tron transaction in Docs. That's all for this video.